This video explains inventory item setup. Vendors should be entered into SoftSell before you enter items, so you may assign a default vendor. Inventory items are used to represent all the products and services you offer for sale in your business. This includes labor and service charges. Each record in the database is assigned a part number during the data entry process. Items are entered into invoices and other transactions using the part numbers in this database. To create a new item record from the main menu, click Inventory, Inventory Items, Item Entry Form. Note: for quick tips on individual field data requirements, click the purple field name heading to display help information about the selected field. SoftSell database systems save data as you type. There is no Save button. Use the New button. Create a new empty database record. Save is automatic. The easiest way to create items is to duplicate an existing item and make required changes. There are special features in SoftSell designed to reduce required editing steps for duplicated items. You can save up to 90% of the effort, as these special features often allow the duplicated description and other data fields to be used without alteration. Please watch the video on item duplication. There is a link for it and it will play at the end of this video. Now, we will enter a new item into an empty record. Click the blue New button in the menu bar across the top of the window. Note: if no items exist in your parts database, you will be prompted to create one. The cursor will appear in the Our Part Number field, in the upper left corner. Type the part number published by the manufacturer. Do not enter spaces in part numbers, SoftSell will remove them and alert you. Note: if you will be using barcode scanning to enter products into transactions, type or scan the barcode number in this first field. All part numbers must be unique. An alert message will appear if a duplicate is entered. Clear the message and change the part number to continue. Press Tab to advance to the vendor part number field. This number is often the same as the part number in the first field. Note: blue field headings offer automated procedures. For example, the blue word part in the vendor part number heading will copy the part number into the vendor part number field. These numbers are often the same. Enter the vendor part number and press Tab. Skip the vendor part number field for labor or service items. Note: vendor part numbers are important for the inventory system. They are used in purchase orders. Press the Tab key to advance to the cost field. Enter your cost for the item, the price you pay. Often the sheet price is used here, as there are discount functions in SoftSell purchase order systems. To the right of the cost field, you may select Our, Vendor, or None. This controls how the item description is calculated. SoftSell will automatically add your selection to the beginning of the description text. This calculated description text appears in invoices. See this text in red at the top of the window. Select None in this field for labor and warranty or other message items. The most common and recommended option is Vendor. Press Tab to advance into the List Price field. Enter MSRP here only if you would like the list price to appear on printed invoices for customers to see. The list price performs no other function. It is used only on printed invoices and is not used in any calculations. Press Tab to advance to Our Price field. Our Price field stores the default price you will charge your customers for this item. Enter the amount you will charge the customer and press Tab. Settings may permit price adjustments when invoices are created. See the SoftSell video on advanced item setup for information on auto pricing and other functions. Press Tab advance to the Min Price field. The minimum price field is optional. An entry here allows you to make sure that products are not sold below a specified price. A setting in SoftSell activates this feature. Enter the minimum price in the Min Price field. No entry is required even when the setting is enabled. Blank entries are skipped during verification. Do not enter a zero. Minimum prices can be set later individually or globally with a calculation. Click the purple price field name for additional information. The taxable radio button tells SoftSell if sales tax should be applied to this item. Choose Yes if this is a taxable item and No for non-taxable items. Disregard transaction type and customer type and state sales taxes for this setting. Customers that are tax exempt will not be charged tax on any items. See Client Entry. State tax percentage is controlled elsewhere. All inventory items are taxable. Press Tab to advance into the description field. The text in the description field is added after the text in the manufacturer name and, optionally, The vendor part number fields. This allows generic descriptions to be entered for many items, simplifies entry procedures and enhances benefits of the item duplication functions. The description displayed across the top of the inventory items description form will contain text from all three fields. This calculated description text will appear in invoices and other transactions to display complete item descriptions. Press Tab to advance into the Sales Department field. Select the sales department that would best describe the item being entered. If it does not exist or you are just starting the entry process, simply click into the field and type the new department name. The pop-up list creates itself from the existing data. Press Tab to advance into the category field. The pop-up list for the category field has similar function as does the department field. Type new entries to add them to the pop-up lists. SoftSell reports may be subtotaled by department and category. Department and category settings also group items together for item entry select functions. Enter labor for labor items. Press Tab to advance into the subcategory field. This field is optional. It offers additional grouping within categories. This will enhance reports and the item entry selection process. Press Tab to advance into the manufacturer field. Enter the name of the company that manufactures the item and press Tab to the vendor ID field. Type or select the vendor you most often purchase this item from. Note: enter labor into the manufacturer field for labor items. This tells inventory systems to treat them accordingly. This item is complete. We will now show you how efficient the item duplication process is. Additional feature information. Fields will expand for extended text as required. This permits easy entry editing of long descriptions. Invoice print systems also expand the space allowed for each item and wrap text automatically. Multiple line descriptions function even with narrow thermal invoice printers. You can search in any field, click the search button, type and press enter. We are here to help. If you have questions, send us an email or give us a call. Thanks for watching.